How to fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the suspicious login attempts on your Instagram account. So now let's get started. So if Instagram detects suspicious login attempts, you will receive a notification. Simply tap on that notification and it will take you to the password change option. Now to secure your account, enter your current password in the first box. Then create a new password in the second box and confirm it in the last box. Make sure that your password is really strong. And finally, click on the Change Password button, which is highlighted in blue color to protect your account from these suspicious attempts. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.